Hello and welcome, children. So, in this video, we'll be discussing the rest part of the prose, the story. We are at the seventh passage. In the seventh passage, what we find that the girl is crying, okay, because we can say that innocently, with unknowingly, she has torn the papers and she is trying to make understand her parents, but she is unable to. So she kept on crying, and the father comes and the father starts beating her. Okay, and he tells that she must learn a lesson, not to interfere with the things which doesn't belong to her. So that way he beats her up. We can see, uh, just check out here. Sit up, he ordered, and hold out your hand. You must be taught once and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. But it was for your birthday. So the girl is trying to say. Down came the ruler on her little pink palm. So this is the behavior which the father is showing towards her. He is not listening that what was the why she has made that thing. He is unable. He doesn't wants to understand. Rather, only he punishes her. So let's come to the question. The word meanings. Ruler is a straight strip which is used just like a plastic, wood, or metal. Rulers you also use for your in mathematics, I guess. So that is ruler. And shadowed. Shadowed means envelope in shadow. Cast a shadow over. Okay. So she shadow is been described just the when the evening time. Over here it is described as. Now we'll be in the next paragraph. In the eighth paragraph, hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl, okay, and she is trying to make her sleep. What did God make fathers for? So the girl is saying that why fathers are there in this world? Why I have a father? I don't want father. Here's a clean hanky. Darling, blow your nose, the grandmother is saying, but she kept on crying. Go to sleep. Pet, you'll forget all about it in the morning. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. So she is saying that I tried to tell him about the gift, about the surprise which she was making, but she is saying that he didn't listen to me. But the child never forgot. Uh, the child never forgot. Next time she saw him quickly, hands behind her back, and red color flew into her cheeks. So after that, whenever she is coming in front of the father, she is getting along. So she is becoming more and more scared, and she tries to hide her palms. So because she feels like that the father will again start beating her. So the word meanings are wrapped. Wrapped means to cover something. Okay, to cover with soft material. Then clung means to stuck, and sob means to cry noiselessly. Okay, to cry noisily, to cry loudly, like the child, the small children cry. That is the manner which is called sob. So Kezia saw her neighbor, Mr. MacDonald, and he was playing with his children. So what she found? That she found a difference between her father and the neighbor. Okay, she found that there is a vast difference between her father and Mr. MacDonald, who is not at all bored, who is not at all strict with the children. Rather, he is playing. Okay, with his children. So, and then when she compares, she finds that her father is cruel and Mr. MacDonald is very kind. So in the ninth paragraph, she peeps to from the fence towards the neighbor side, and what she finds, she saw the boy turn the hose on him, and he tried to catch him laughing all the time. Then it was she decided there were different. What she found that Mr. MacDonald is very friendly with his children. He's playing, he's he is not at all strict. The children are treating their father, Mr. McDonald, just like their own friend. Okay, so what she finds and what she decides, that is very important. She says that there were different sort of fathers. This is very important, that she thinks that there are different kinds of father. McDonald is a different kind of father than her. So suddenly one day what happened, the mother is has fallen sick. Okay, and she is been admitted in the hospital. So the grandmother goes to the hospital to take care of the mother. So now Kezia is alone, okay, with the cook and the father. The little girl saw through a gap of McDonald's playing and Alice putting into her bed. She grew suddenly afraid. So now she is very afraid. Why she is afraid? Because she is alone with the father. So the word meaning, sort means different kind. Fence means a barrier, railing or other upright structure is called fence. Okay, the boundary we can say. So the summary is that she was too much upset due to her father's behavior, and at the same time she saw Mr. McDonald and their children playing the next door. She became very sad and compared her father with the neighbor. Okay, and she has concluded that fathers are of different type. Thank you, children.